All right, let's go. Oh, no. Bring it to me. Give it to me. Give it to me. Which one is our goalkeeper? I'm very confused. Okay, we have to stop yellow team. Man. Come on. Give it to me. Give it to me. Give it to me. No. I'll make a good goal. No way. This guy is good. Goalkeeper, go, 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 go. Nice. Good job, goalkeeper. Oh, no, this is not good. This is not good, man. This is not good. 6 goals. They have so many goals, dude. Ay, ay, ay. They're gonna steal it from you. Good job, man. Good job. This game is funny. This game is really funny. Nice. Good job, Brazil. Good job, Brazil. This game doesn't count. Give it to me. I'm safe. How do they do these movements? Okay, no worries, no worries, no worries. This is our first game. This is our first game. No problem. We will start a new game. Oh, we can't play ranked. No problem. Where is the door? Okay, it's here. We enter here, right? Play the game. Let's go Union Berlin. We go right. This game is really funny. So much fun. I need to learn how to control Go, 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 go. Man, where did you go? Give it to me. Give it to me. No! way! You good, huh? Goalkeeper, come. Tackle it. Do it to me. Come on. Press the button. Not this close. Good job, man. Come on. Hit harder. Come on. Oh my god, man. My teammates are so bad. Good job. Come on. Come on. Oh my god, dude. How did you save it? We got this. We are 3 now. Ahmed, come on, Ahmed. Come on, Ahmed. At least the enemy team is not good. We are better. Look at this guy. He just stops there and waits all the time. He doesn't even run. Like he's gonna get tired. Come on, guys. Come on. This guy is crazy. The goalkeeper, I mean. Good job. The goalkeepers are stars. Man, we are not playing well. No way. Give it to me. Dude, this guy is so funny, I swear. He just stops. He doesn't even move. So stupid. I'll do the same. I will do the same. I will do the same. This goalkeeper is hacking, man. Give it to me. Go, 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 go. Come on, dude. Do something. No, 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 no. These people have so high ping. I wonder where they are from. Of course. Of course. Of course. I have to learn the controls in the game. Hold T, Huntle wheel. We got nothing here. Oh shit! Oh shit! At least we have a good goalkeeper. Nice. Look at this guy. Look at this guy. He's asking for the ball. What the? You're so annoying, man. You're so annoying, I swear. I will stay here with you. How about that, huh? How about that? You like this? How do they do this movement? Come on. What the Come on, friend. Come on, friend. He stole the ball from me, man. He stole the ball from me. Nah. We lose. We lose. You gotta shoot, you gotta shoot, you gotta shoot. Nice. Alright, GG. I would like to play this game mode. Ranked. It's gonna be fun. Let's play first position. Let's go. Yeah. We're gonna be the player who makes the goals. How do you say that? Goal maker? Goal... Just testing, okay? Just testing. He's not even close to me. How do you do that? Those movements. How do you that? How do you do those movements? Nice. My bad, guys. My bad. I have to pass the ball. I know that. I know it. I know it. I know it. I'll fix that. But I don't like this guy. He just sits there and waits. Go! Catch the ball! No way, man. That's not good. For you. You're a good player. Come on, make it goal. How do I shoot better, man? Give it to me. Go. No way. How did you miss that, man? Bro, what are you waiting for? You almost got it. Yes, yes, yes. That's how we do, boys. That's how we do. No way, dude. He's good. No way, it's goal. Nice goal. Nice. What just happened? Where's the ball? Goalkeeper, what are you doing, man? I'm so tired, I can't run. I can't run. We gotta do better, guys. Come on. The goalkeeper is good. How could it be? Still. Press E, press E, press E. Oh my god, man. You gotta press E. You gotta press E. That's on me, that's on me. That's on me. That's on me. Hello, Ben. How are you, buddy? No way, how I missed. I'm so tired. Yes. How is it going? I'm good. Thanks for asking. I hope you are also good. Pass the ball, man. Pass the ball. Our goalkeeper is so bad. Ooh. I had to say that. Come on, go for it. Go for it. It's goal. It's goal. Oh my god, man. How did you miss that? And I'm so tired. I can't run more. I can't go more. I can't run more. Nice. Wait. Where's the ball? Pass it. Yes. We make this. We make this goal. Come on, you're tired. I can't run more. Oh my god. I want to kiss you, goalkeeper. But we are too late. You had to come before. All good. It was fun. 5-3, but we have only 20 seconds left. Hadoom, do you play this game? Please guys, don't forget to like the stream and subscribe. It was a good goal, but we have no time. We have no time. No! Come on! Come on! Steal the ball! Come on! Goal! 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 Oh! No way! This guy's great! GG guys. I don't know how do they do a movement. They do a movement which I don't know how to do that. Like they do like this, whoop, like this, on the ball. I don't know how to do that. Okay, we're gonna play Japan, and we're gonna be CF. Let's go. Okay, we are the goal maker. Let's go. Do you guys play this game? What games do you play? No, I'm not. I'm not. I just started playing. I'm still trying to learn the game. Nice, good job. This guy's good. Oh, never mind. Never mind. Come here! These guys know how to play. They pass the ball. Pass the ball! Pass the ball! No way, this guy this guy catch the ball. You am I better than you? No way. Probably on mobile. That's why it's harder. So do you play this game? Come on, brother. You are against 3 guys. These guys are so bad. Come here. Take it. I shouldn't have done that. So you play this game? What games do you play? Go for it! Oh my god. Shame on you! Good job. Oh my god, I missed. I still missed. I still miss. Don't give it to me. Come on. Give it to me. Come on. Shame on you. Sailor Peace. I just played this game because I really like the graphics, etc. I don't usually play Roblox, but I was just checking what games I can play. I just found this one. It has nice graphics. It's funny, easy to play. So I'm just give it a try. Man, why don't you pass the ball? Don't be this selfish. Look what I do. Look. This is how you do. Yes. Yes. We didn't need our friends. Good job. Good job. That was a good goal. That was a good goal. Yes, sir. Good steal. Good steal. Go, 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 go. How do they do this movement, man? I don't know how to do that. You see? How do you even do that? Look. Good job. Come on, we are 3. Shame on you. Go back. They won't pass. They won't pass. Nice. Now you are so good with your friends. I'm good. Thank you. No worries. No worries. How old are you? Wow. If we stay here and stop, don't let them pass, I think we win. Because our guys doing good. Yes, good job, good job. You got this? No way. Pass the ball, pass the ball. Pass the ball. Oh, nice. Come on. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Go. No, brother, come on, man. We were doing so good together. Goalkeeper, you gotta go, you gotta go, you gotta go. Hold the ball. What are you waiting for? Yes. Go for it. All yours. Guys, please don't forget to like the stream. Oh my god, he passed the ball to me. That was so weak. Even though I shoot very strong. It's mine, it's mine, it's mine, it's mine. He's lost. He's lost, he's lost. He's lost. Yes, this is how we play. No, buddy. I saw you try it at least. You see how they do a movement? Like moving around the ball? Can't do that. How do they do that? No way! This goalkeeper is crazy. Where's the ball? Oh. Oh shit, I missed the button. You gotta make this. Good job, good job, good job. Go for it! At least we are winning. We are winning. No worries. I think this game is fun. Let me see if the graphics are higher. Highest quality. Graphics mode. Manual. High graphics. Maximum frame rate for this motion. I think it's good now. Ooh. It is even better than before. You know what's happening, guys? They have high ping. These guys have high ping. These guys have high ping. Therefore, whenever I'm about to move, they are not there anymore. They are playing with high ping, like 200. Good job. Yes, I have a strong PC. I usually play competitive PC games, but sometimes we need easy games too, you know? Just to have fun. I feel like the game audio is higher than my microphone. I'm going to lower this. I mean, this game is easy. I want to play goalkeeper, man. Should we try? Let's try. This game is not that too big, so I think play on high graphics is not gonna affect performance. Let's go. We are goalkeeper now. Ooh, a handsome goalkeeper. What do we ask for? That's how you do. Go better. Wait, what? How could it be? I passed the ball to my friend. Did you see that? Did you see that? That's not good. I thought my teammate had the ball. Oh shit, we missed. We missed. No way, dude. I think it's easier to be goalkeeper. But yeah. I still don't understand. Well, I thought I had the ball, or my teammate had the ball, but it was opposite. Let's see. Yes! Go for it! Guys, move your ass! Go around! What are you doing here? Look at this! Look at this! Oh my god, dude. These guys have to be kids. I swear. They have no brain. Wow, this goal was crazy, man. I don't know what he did, but he did something special. This goal was crazy. That was embarrassing. That was embarrassing. Oh my god, I shouldn't have become. Guys, you gotta do something. I'm playing against the whole team. Oh my god. I shouldn't have become goalkeeper. Oh, these. Look at this, guys. So, I want to understand something. I don't want to fly to pick the ball. I want to tackle. How do I do that? I know we can do that, but I don't know how I did before. I have to try. Maybe this way? Like this? With this option? Don't come here. Please go. Guys, go. Go, go, go. Oh my god, you are so terrible, man. Are they real players? I don't think so. I don't really think these guys are real. But they are sliding right on time, so they have to be real players. It's mine, it's mine. You see, there is nobody in forward. Front line, there is nobody. They just run towards the ball. They don't think about positions. Man, this team is so bad. Hadu, you can add me if you want. You see my name. I'm not gonna give you guys. You have to go. You have to go there. My god. How can you three be the same? The same, man. The same mentality. The same mentality. Nobody goes. Nobody goes. Here you go. Come on. This is my name. Tiirojyt. How can I stop this? Wow, I don't see the screen. How do I close this? Come on, man. Okay. That was stupid. I will no longer be goalkeeper, guys. We basically don't have players. We don't have players. Come on. Good job, boys. You did this time. You did this. Are you playing on mobile, guys? We are farming points. We are farming points, guys. But still, it doesn't prevent us to lose for 7-0. Pass the ball. Good job. Shoot. GG's. We cannot play ranked yet. What's our level, by the way? I wanna play ranked. Probably it's gonna be better. Okay, we'll play this time forward. This time is gonna be different. This time it's going to be different. Do we have the same team? The same players? I think Ahmed was playing before. Wow, this goalkeeper is crazy. Come on, buddy. It's yours. Don't get bored. Come on. Brilliant. What is that? Did you see that? What the heck just happened? Oh my god, I was so tired. Goalkeeper, you gotta save us. He's also so tired. He was tired, man. He was tired too. This is how you do. That was stupid. I can't move. I wasn't able to move, guys. This goalkeeper is not good. Oh shit. Good job. Oh, so rude. I got it. Don't do that, man. Come on. There's nobody here. If you give it to me. Nice. Come on. Stronger. God, come on, please. Yes. Holy shit, dude. You're crazy. Oh shit! Almost got you. Almost. Oh, come on, move! He's good, man. Can't run faster. You're crazy. Yeah, crazy, but you don't know how to pass the ball. Yes! Good job, boys. That was a crazy pause. Crazy. Look at this guy. That was Wick. Yes. we're going to be the best goal maker. We are cooking. We gotta be masters soon. No, there's no more time. So what is our level now? We can no longer. We cannot play more. We cannot play ranked yet. All right, we got the position. Nice. Oh, he took our place, man. Let's see the other one. Okay, we play goalkeeper. No problem. We are yellow, right? Yeah, we are yellow, and there we have to stop the red team. Don't sleep, man. Ooh. What a goal, man. That was a crazy game, man. We have AFK guy. Good job, good job, good job. Don't pass the ball. The other guy's AFK. Don't do that. Da, 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 da. Man, how do you do that? This guy knows some tricks. Okay, our guy is back. Taran, 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 taran. Now they plays AFK now. Finally. That was great, yes. Make this happen. He's gonna shoot again from far away. Look at this face. He has his own face. No way, no way, no way. If it was us, guys. Yeah, if you jump, then you stop the ball. This guy is doing good. He's good. Shoot the goal. Shoot the ball. You cannot make goal. You cannot make the goal. Go for it. Go for it. No, man. We should not let them play forward. I tried. Move, 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 move. Come on, man. Move faster, move faster. We won't let them play in forward, guys. We won't. Here we go. Come on, son. Go for it. Yes. What is going on? What is going on? Shoot, shoot, shoot. That was a terrible game, man. Terrible game. Shame on you guys. Shame on you. Da. Let's try now. Look at this guy, he's good. He wasn't even close to me. Come here. Yes. These guys are doing good, huh? Stop this kid. He's good. He's messy. Man, these guys are not helping me. They are not helping me. Oh, it was me who had the ball? I'm sorry. I'm sorry, man. What are you doing? Yes, yes, yes. No, it doesn't let me paste my link. Stop it, guys. Stop it, stop it, stop it, man. Stop it, guys. No way he made it. No way! No, that was stupid. Yes. All right, we got our team. Yes, yes. You're cheating. My bad. Sorry. My bad. This is stupid, man. Yes, yes. How do they shoot faster or stronger? Yes, that's how we do. No way, how I missed. This is Granty goal. Well, it didn't work now. Stamina up, stamina up. Look at this guy, man. He's playing crazy. Nice. I was tired. I was tired. I was very tired. What is my level, by the way? Come on, make it. Oh shit, that's not good. Oh my god, it's my bad, sorry. We got 1 minute, we have to win this. Yes, yes, yes. We win, no? No, 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 man. 10 seconds left. Only 10 seconds left. That's so bad. That's so bad. No, 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 no. Penalties. Penalties. How do I jump? No. That's not that's not true. That is not true, man. No worries, you win this time, no problem. Yes. Nice. Well, now we are drawing. Draw. Yes. We're doing great. What are you doing? Yes. Let's go. This time the plays have been changed. Let's go. Nice, nice, nice. USA, USA, USA. We are going for world record. Why it goes so slow, guys? Thank you, thank you. Oh shit. That's gonna be my bad if you lose. Nice. Pass me the ball. Pass me the ball. Pass me the ball again. Good job, boy. Good save, buddy. Let's try again. You are doing great. That was so strong. I wish we could shoot stronger, guys. We are doing practice. We are doing practice. Ooh. Okay. Damn, I just found the different way of shooting. Okay. Nice. What can you? How did the goal? Nice. You have to be level 20 still. Boca Junior. Good job. We are level 10. Soon we're gonna be playing ranked. And we'll be able to check if it's good or bad. It shows the players' pings. I think they are real players. Level 10. What a goal, man. Good job. Now this guy is level 0. Problem bot. Another goal. What a goal. Catch this guy, he's low. So slow, guys. Dang. Need to shoot right from here. What a goal! Come here. I was thinking which button is the correct one. We are testing. We are testing. Nah. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Bam, 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 bam. We can make one more goal, I guess. We can make one more goal. We can make it. Oh, we could make it easily. 10 goal, but no worries. No problem. Come on, guys, join me. This guy is not joining our match because he knows we are good. What a goal! 8-8, 6-7. Disease. Why it's so soft, so weak? Pass to me. Let's pass the ball to that guy. Pass to me. What just happened? Oh my god. We have to find a way to make goal from far away. go. Pass to me. We make 2 more goals. Can we make 2 more goals? Come on, 2 more goals. We can make 1 more goal. 5 seconds left. Ah. There are no players in the game. There's no players left in the game. What is that? Super slow.
Come here!
Oh shit.
Vinina Bombardino.
Run.
Come here! Nubini Pizzanini.
How can I cancel it?
Come here! Liri li la rila.
Ooh. But still low.
Come here. Dritti troppi.
Trilli pirpili. This one looks good. What is this?